What is this? Oh, I also got the handguards. So I'm going to be installing this one first so you guys can see what this looks like installed with the fairing that it has right now. So here's the mounting hardware instructions and the handguards themselves. So we're going to install those first, just so you guys can see what it would look like without the fairing. Alright, so here we are. There's a Lowrider S, and here are the handguards. Jeez, looks a little dirty. Let's go ahead and install these. Looking at the instructions here, it looks like we would have to... What size is this? Ooh, right on the dot. First one. It's a size 11. I mean, they could probably send these already installed. Take the other one off. So first we would put these guys on here. Gaskets, washers, rubber, or whatever you call these things. Alright. Geez, look at my fingerprints already getting this all dirty. Alright. And then looking at the image, looks like this goes down. So then this goes on top of the, this would go here. Alright, so then this, gonna put these guys in there. This would go in there like that, and this goes back here like this, and this is the throttle side. I'm not sure if you need Loctite on this. You know, let's just put a little bit on there just in case. That looks good. Don't over tighten these. There's Loctite in there already. Should be fine. And of course this one. Okay, so the next part we have to do is loosen up these nuts down here. And this is what's connected to your mirrors. So let's go ahead and loosen this up. Alright, and that's pretty much for the audio and the camera. I'm noticing there's a couple scuff marks on the fairing there from the cover, from the Amazon motorcycle cover that I have. It's not a good quality one. I already have scuff marks. So on the new fairing that I have, the Road Warrior, I'm using microfiber towel to kind of protect it from those scuff marks that I was pointing out in the video. Here I have a friend coming over just to visit, kind of take a look at the new bike, and the installation of these handguards is pretty much straightforward. The only tip that I have is those metal brackets that come with the handguards. The short one is the throttle side, and the longer one, that's the clutch side. And that's pretty much the only tip I have. This is a good time right here is to move. If you want those upside down mirrors, you can move that. You could turn these upside down here. There might be another bolt or a nut to kind of, if you don't want it to stand out too much, you could switch it from that chrome finish to a black finish, or you could even spray them black too if you wanted to. But I just went ahead and I kept the mirrors upside instead of them being upside down like on my other Harley, on my other Sportster. I had them upside down, but I'm okay with it right now. It's an easy flip. You don't have to put in on a different bracket or install anything else. It's pretty much turn them upside down and loosen them and turn them upside down. And if you're installing these handguards, it'd be a good time to do it too. Here my buddy's pointing out some other scratches on the bike. Those minor scratches are probably from the factory at Harley-Davidson. It's just minor stuff. I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. Yes, it's a new bike, and yes, it's a $20,000 bike. But the way I see it is, it's gonna end up getting scratches regardless. Those scuff marks on the fairing is something that's it's something that you can't stop or you can't prevent, mainly because it's black, and then all these minor scratches stand out like a sore thumb. Right here, you can see it on the throttle side. It's already connected, and it's looking pretty good. Those are the custom dynamic LED signal lights that I have installed in there. What other tip do I have? This is a pretty easy install. Shouldn't take you more than maybe 10-20 minutes if you have the right tools. The one other thing that I have noticed is just the alignment of reattaching, because when you take off these mirror screws and bolts, when you take these off, you could actually turn, or you could readjust the signal lights themselves. So everything's attached to this bolt and mirror. It's all attached. This mirror is attached to the signal light and the handguard and the mirror itself. So everything's attached. You see right there, I'm moving it around, just trying to get the signal lights facing forward, and these are bright. Here I am talking about the cameras and talking to them about what they do and how much they cost, and just mentioning how easy it is to, well, not easy to edit, but easy to kind of set up, and we're just talking about the cameras right now. Other than that, what else is there as far as tips? Nothing much. The handguards, they look pretty cool. I went ahead and I left it installed this way so you guys could see what they would look like with the stock fairings on the stock bars. And now I decided to go out so you guys can have some footage of the bike with the handguards and the stock bars and the stock fairing. So something, if you guys were wondering, hey, what does the motorcycle look like with these handguards, without risers, without ape hangers, without a different fairing, a Sportster fairing, a Memphis Shades fairing, or whatever fairing's out there, this is the footage right here. As far as the viewing on behind the bike, they do look nice. This is mainly just for freeway purposes, something to kind of help your knuckles from getting those pebbles or those rock pieces coming at you. That's pretty much it. Mainly it's just for looks. These handguards, they look pretty cool. Honestly, with the Road Warriors fairing, they look amazing. And that's probably going to be the next video, the installation of the fairing and the view of how they look with the fairing, and once again with the stock handlebars. And that's pretty much it. The main reason for uploading this video would be for those people who were wondering what these handguards will look like on stock bars and the stock fairing. Easy install, like I said, 10-20 minutes maybe. The only thing that you might run into is the bracket. The short bracket goes on the throttle side, and the longer bracket goes on the clutch side. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions or any tips, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I know this is the angle of the recording from my point of view wasn't too good. I'm gonna try to see if I can adjust that and improve that in later videos. Sorry for the bad camera angle on the point of view, but I'm still new at this. I'm still learning, and let's see let's see how my next couple of videos are going to be, or are going to look like. Hopefully they'll improve. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys liked the video. Leave a comment, see what other suggestions you guys have. I'm going to be uploading a couple more videos of installations. This bike is not done yet, guys. Thank you for watching.